Alright, Bruce, so we just went and yanked your exhaust off. And nice Bazzani mid-pipe. It is a little bit rusty, as you can see. A lot of the pieces were like coming out of it, but it slid out technically pretty nice. We really haven't talked too much about this car, but it's really nice, other than we found a little bit of rust. Let's see if it'll focus. There was like silicone in the way, so I kind of just like pulled all the stuff off. Anyways, it's there, so that'll have to be replaced. But other than that, aluminum drive shaft, Flowmaster catback, Bazzani, X-pipe.
It looks like someone gutted them before.
Yeah, so that is possible, but they were a little bit rusty on the inside.
Check out our new shirts.
Yeah.
So we're going to be selling those as well. So if you want one, give us an email or comment down below.
Yep.
Alright, so Sean just asked where's Bobby moving to. If anybody knows where Bobby's moving to, let us know.
Bobby Green.
Yeah, Bobby Green. So anyway, last night in the video, you guys saw Brent. We just explained what we did. We took all the junk suspension off, got everything out. Took the rear end this morning to our guy that rebuilds them, and literally he got it done in 2 hours. So we didn't want to run to Louisville again, so we're going to pick it up in the morning. Here's all the exhaust and suspension parts off of Bruce's car right there. And here is the Mystic. So Chris, we did the roof last night. Kind of looks like a root beer actually. Did the roof last night. Now we're going to do the body tomorrow. That's got to dry. Right now in the booth, we got a whole full booth right now. We got another set of export mirrors in. Who were they from? Did it say on the box? So anyway, we got another 0304 Cobra set from all the way from California. And Brent already took them apart. We're scuffing them up. Going to paint them before we head out this weekend. We got the gas tank for the Mystic. Got some 03 Cobra valve covers going Sonic Blue for a subscriber. So these are ready. He just sent these in. So I just got these Saturday and we're already painting them. It's Monday. So that's good. Primed them last night before we left. Chris's new side scoops. He had another set on the car that didn't fit as well, so hopefully these fit better. Got both front fenders, front bumper, and rear bumper. So everything's set up. I just got to wipe them down a couple times, and then they're ready to black base. I am going to spray the Sonic Blue, which is code SN. I'm going to spray these first, and then after I'm done basing, I'll cover them up, paint all this stuff black, Mystic, take the cover or the plastic off of this, and then clear coat everything at once, and then they'll be set. So we're just been busy all day, been running around in the morning, and finally in the booth around 4 o'clock. So I'll be out of here probably by 9 tonight if everything goes well. So anyway, I'm just showing you guys before we start putting base down, because once we black base and stuff, it's going to look totally different. I just like showing you guys before we spray, while we're spraying, then after we clear coat. So anyway, Sean just came over. He just got off work, so he's helping us out right now. And there's so much space right here because Chris's car is all the way back there and it was in the booth. So we cleaned up a little bit and everything's going well. So I guess we'll be back after I get some base down. I got to wipe it off. It's going to take me another 30 minutes before I actually start spraying. So anyway, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're in the paint booth. It's been a very long day. Brent and I have been here about 14-15 hours, and we're in the booth as you can see, and we just got done laying down some clear coat. So check this out. Here is Chris Ladd's side scoops, mint, and then here is the game changer right here. Chris wanted me to shave the rear bumper reflectors. I told them no because they'll crack, and they will, and they'll come back over time. So I said, hey, why don't we just paint them the same color? They'll still be aligned, you'll still be able to notice them, but it's different and not a lot of people do it. So Chris was like, hell yeah, so we did that instead. So I almost forgot about those, had to get those out last minute. So we scuffed them up, cleaned them, scuffed them up, then we put the Bulldog adhesion promoter on the plastic, and then we painted them. You could go all out and shave all the little stuff if you wanted to and do it that way. I didn't really think about it until after I sprayed it. So next time we just sand those down, prime it, and then paint them. But we can always do that later, Chris, if you want to. And then here is some Sonic Blue valve covers for the 03 Cobra. Turned out hot. It looks way more blue on camera than it does in person. I got the camera turned way up could actually probably turn it down a little bit, but it helps out on the Mystic stuff. So anyway, those are. If you guys want valve covers painted, please get them sandblasted first, because Brent and I do not have time, now that the channel's growing and we got a lot of customers, to sit there and nib and sand this shit for like 2 hours. So I'm just probably not even gonna do them unless you get them sandblasted first, because it's not worth our time, and then the shipping and stuff. I mean, I want to help you guys out, but we just can't do it. So anyway, just kind of stay still, Brent. Brent's kind of dirty. What do you think though so far? He didn't even look yet. He already loves it. All right, let's walk around this. All right, I'm gonna change the settings on the camera. I'll be right back. That probably looks a lot better on camera now. So anyway, we got a couple little dirt nibs, but nothing big. Those little dots in the middle, that's where the license plate would go. Those are factory like pilot holes, so we did not want to shave those. Make sure you get in the fog light nice and slick, and then down here, this is always dry. Brent and I look at this kind of shit at car shows, and a lot of painters that are just getting paid by the hour and don't care what car it is, they just slop it on and leave that dry most of the time. So I sprayed in here too, got all that nice and slick. The rear bumper, I just put it on the stand like that, so try to get less nibs. But this is where it's crazy looking color change. So look at that. Look at that. So that's the top of it, so it's perfect. And then again, we're gonna paint this black. So whenever I had it on the stand, kind of missed, but it doesn't matter, we're gonna paint it black. So anyway, looking good. These fenders are nice. Brent's checking it out. I even sprayed in here, Brent, so when I was spraying, I went here and went to this side to get that inner lip, because everyone always leaves those dry. So just that little stuff like that, man, it makes a paint job go a long way. So one little nib there, ain't nothing though, we'll get them out. So yeah, try not to knock shit in the paint. It is very wet. I just clear coated it probably 10 minutes ago, and we've already been 5 minutes in the video, so probably about 12 actually, because I've been filming for 5 already. So, but this is where we can get that gold action, because it's kind of round. So let's see here, right about here you can start seeing that gold, and right here, which is nice. The other parts we painted in the previous videos, you couldn't really see the gold. Alright, something else I did. So Chris, sorry if you didn't want it, but I put a TKO sticker right here. This was nasty inside. The guy didn't even touch it. He didn't even clean the damn thing. So anyway, I put that in there, clear coated over, so it's fossilized in. So every time you get gas, you're gonna be like, damn Tyler, thanks for doing the inside of my gas tank. So that's all set. So what do you think, Brent?
It looks really slick.
Yeah?
Laid down really smooth, yeah.
That clear coat's awesome, isn't it?
I love it. Yeah, that stuff is good stuff.
You guys are blowing us up, man. We already got, I think, probably 3 jobs in the last week from emails. And we're filling up fast, so don't hesitate. Give us an email, subscribe, or give us a call. And we'll talk over your car and get it looking like this. So we're going to get out of here before we get too much dust in here. What is it, like 11:30? 11 o'clock, something like that. Another 14-hour day for us. And tomorrow we're going to go pick up Bruce's rear end, and we'll get that on video. So stay tuned, and we'll be back.